How to stream on a PS5. Need to stream gameplay in your PS5? You are in luck, as a result of Sony has made this doable in just some button presses with built-in Twitch and YouTube integration. The best way to stream gameplay on PS5. Sharing content material is fairly simple throughout the PS5. Launch the sport you'd wish to stream. Press the Create button. Navigate to Broadcast in the newly opened menu on the backside of the display screen, and choose it with X. Use X to decide on between YouTube and Twitch to stream on. If you have not already linked these accounts along with your PlayStation Network account, you'll be prompted to take action. Title your broadcast, and press X on Go Reside to begin streaming. If you would like to alter your stream settings, like stream high quality, whether or to not stream your Digicam and voice chat, and extra, choose the ellipsis button with X. To pause your stream, press the PlayStation button to enter the management middle, and press square whereas deciding on your stream's card. Hit X whereas deciding on the cardboard to enter the choice to cease your stream. Suggestions for streaming on PS5. The streaming course of itself on PS5 is simple. However, there are a couple of particulars to remember relying in your private state of affairs. Do you want PlayStation Plus to stream? No. You solely want a web connection and to be signed into your PlayStation Community account to stream on PS5. Additionally, you will have to hyperlink a streaming service account. Is streaming proper now necessary to you? After linking your YouTube account, it's possible you'll have to confirm your account to begin streaming. YouTube notes this course can take as much as 24 hours. Twitch would not require a verification course and as soon as your accounts are linked, you possibly can soar instantly into streaming. What does it imply to hyperlink your account with PlayStation? When linking both your Twitch or YouTube account along with your PlayStation Community account, Sony notes nothing will publish to YouTube or Twitch without your permission. Nonetheless, Sony goes on to say that public broadcasts will routinely present up in your PlayStation Community profile and could also be out there for others to find within the context of present and future PlayStation options. Finally, it is not uncommon for publicly out there content material to be accessible by others. However, for those who are solely recording foolish stuff in your family and friends, be sure you're conscious these public streams are literally public. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.